Cool. This is going to be insanely valuable video if you are using ClawdBot or thinking to use the ClawdBot. Because today we are going to explore one of the top 5 use cases you can start using today, and it can entirely automate your life 24 into 7. Ignore my goggles because I am facing some issues in my eyes, and let's straightforward talk about the use cases. Just a hint, at the end I will show you how you can come up with the new use cases automatically that can literally automate your life 24 into 7. So the first and very important use case is your daily update engine. Yes, it can be your daily update engine. Whatever you are doing in your daily life, you can use OpenClaw to automate it. For me, when I woke up, I just can't stop myself to check Twitter because I want to know what is happening in the AI era. For that, I have to be keep up to date, and for that, I am scrolling like Twitter for hours, even in the morning. And for that, we need to automate that part. So for that, I have getting daily AI news, like top 5 AI news on my Telegram. I'm using it from this broken phone, right? And every day I'm getting 5 AI news which are trending right now on Twitter, on Google search. It may be a new model, someone did something experiment with AI or anything. So you can track topic you care about, and you can receive the summary insights automatically every day. How it works, just define what you love to read every day, like for what you are opening Twitter, YouTube, or anything. Think like this: if you think that anything you want to keep up to date yourself, this can help you automate that part. You don't have to like go to watch YouTube videos or just scroll Twitter like me. If you all want to track AI news, if you want to know any tech news, if you want to like want to news about finance, that can part be done by this daily update engine. And I highly recommend to create sub agents. Let's go to the second use case, which is also insane: competitive votes. This might feel illegal, but I am doing it a lot because I'm creating content, and it's very important to be like keep up to date in this world and what competitors are doing, what videos are performing, what videos are not performing. Earlier, before CloudBro, I am going to like every YouTube channel and have to check this manually, that okay, my competitor created this video, okay, my competitor get that much views, and for that I am spending a lot of my time. Now I entirely automated that. How I automated that? Now every day isn't working for me, and when I woke up, I can see, monitor my competitor content, like what new videos they created, how many views it get, how many likes it get, and all other things. I can also track like what I need to create, what they are creating. So everything you do in your competitor research, it's a very great use case. You can use it. I am using it every day to watch my competitor what they are doing, and I am upgrading myself, and I am not wasting my time doing that, right? Next one will be also like crazy. It will be like repeated task manager. Let me explain. When I create a YouTube video like this one, I want to reuse it. Maybe I want to create a multiple shorts from it. Maybe I want to publish the same video in text form on LinkedIn. Maybe I want to create a Medium post, and for that I can do it. Yes, it will convert my YouTube video in LinkedIn post, repurpose it to Medium article, and automate content distribution. Because I have to do this repetitively. Every time I upload a video, I have to create a LinkedIn post, I have to write a Medium post, and I have to automate that part. I can change the draft and directly publish that. Crazy use case, right? So it's saving a lot of my time. The fourth one is also crazy: a goal manager. Yes, as a human we forget a lot, even my goals, like, and we end up doing the things which are not contributing to our goals. So what I did is I tell all the my goals, like how many subscribers I want to gain, how much I want to make this year, and all the steps I want to do in my life, all the goals I have this year, this month. I am feeding all the things to my OpenClaw, and then it's like every day break goals into tasks. Like okay, if you want to reach that much subscriber in like in this year, you have to create the content. These types of videos you can create today. If you want to make that much money, you have to do these 3 things today, achieve that goal. It's like having a manager who make you accountable, who is asking every day, sir, do this, otherwise you will not able to achieve your goals. I literally can't imagine before the OpenClaw that I can do something like this. The next thing is a smart suggestion, and that's the thing I'm talking about earlier, that can change your life, because everyone have a different life, different goals, and different scenarios. What use case is working for me might not work for you. It's like crazy that you can ask OpenClaw that every day, give me the 3 things that you can automate for me, and it will give you the use cases. If you have done the proper feeding, like you have mentioned everything about you, your business, your life, then it will come up with so crazy use cases that you don't even think of. If you can do this only one thing from the entire video, it can be life changing for you, because you are coming with the optimized workflows which OpenClaw can do you and get improvements in your life, and you will be saving so much time. These are the 5 use cases I think are very useful for you. And if you want, I can like more talk about the multiple agents, like Bhanu is doing the things which is like crazy with OpenClaw. Like it's creating multiple AI agents and monitoring them to run the entire business. One is creating SEO blogs, one is like improving the landing page, giving the suggestions, one is doing the sales process, one is sending the emails, one is reading the emails, and one is reading the customer emails and managing the support. If you want, I can like explain you this how you can create something like this. Let me know, comment down, and I will create a video where you can like manage multiple agents to run your business 24 into 7. If you are feeling that OpenClaw is not useful for that, it's a, I think, problem in the your use cases, and you are not optimizing it, because a lot of people are doing great work. It will take time in starting that to adopt, but after that it will be crazy. I hope it makes sense, and yeah, I will see you next time, but without goggles. Hope so my eyes will be fine in the next video. Bye bye.